You're watching Tap Tech, the home of future-driven gadgets that push the limits of innovation. And today, we're diving into something that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. These aren't just glasses. These are the Xiaomi Smart AI glasses, a wearable device that's about to change how we see the world. Literally. Imagine walking down the street, and instead of looking at your phone, the world around you comes alive with floating text, live translation, navigation arrows, and instant AI responses. Yeah, that future is now. Xiaomi has turned that vision into reality, and it's way more impressive than you might think. At first glance, these glasses look sleek. Lightweight, minimal, and not bulky like most AR headsets we've seen before. Xiaomi went for a design that actually looks wearable. They resemble premium eyewear more than a piece of futuristic tech. You could easily wear them daily without drawing unwanted attention. But what really makes the Xiaomi Smart AI glasses exciting is what's packed inside these slim frames. Xiaomi has managed to combine AI assistance, augmented reality visuals, real-time translation, camera functions, and health tracking, all in one tiny device sitting on your face. That's wild. Let's talk about what makes them stand out. The moment you put them on, you're greeted with a subtle display that floats in front of your eyes. It's not overwhelming, not intrusive. Xiaomi uses micro-LED display technology with an ultra-high brightness and a transparent optical waveguide lens. That means even in daylight, text and visuals stay crisp and visible. The display feels futuristic. Notifications appear naturally, messages float in front of you, navigation directions point your way as you move, and if you're traveling abroad, spoken language around you gets translated right in your view. It's like living inside a digital layer built over the real world. And here's where things get even more exciting. The built-in AI assistant. It's not just another voice bot. Xiaomi's integrated AI uses on-device processing and cloud intelligence so it reacts faster and feels smarter. You can ask questions, get contextual answers, or even describe what you're seeing. It can identify landmarks, translate signs, or summarize text in front of you instantly. Imagine you're walking through Tokyo, and every sign in Japanese instantly converts to English text in your view. That's the kind of seamless experience Xiaomi is offering. No phone needed. No app switching. Just you and your AI-powered glasses doing everything quietly in the background. And for creators, this is a dream. The built-in camera sits right above your eye line, giving you the ability to record life exactly as you see it. It's not just for content creation, though. The camera uses AI for scene recognition, object detection, and even memory recall. You can ask your glasses, "What did I see at the cafe earlier?" And they can pull up that visual memory. That's next-level personal assistance. Now let's talk about comfort, something most smart glasses struggle with. Xiaomi went with light magnesium lithium alloy and carbon fiber components, keeping the weight under 40 grams. That's lighter than some sunglasses. The balance between the display and the battery side is fine-tuned, so they don't slip or feel heavy after long use. Speaking of battery, Xiaomi says the smart AI glasses can last through a full day on moderate use. Thanks to a custom low-power chip, combined with smart power allocation, the glasses only draw energy when the display or AI features are active. You can charge them with a compact magnetic dock, similar to a smartwatch. Now, privacy is another area Xiaomi handled surprisingly well. The camera indicator light turns on every time it's recording, and all visual processing has optional end-to-end encryption. It's clear Xiaomi learned from the privacy backlash that killed early smart glasses projects like Google Glass. But what makes these glasses more than just tech is how they blend into your lifestyle. They don't demand your attention like a phone does. They enhance it. You can check directions while cycling, get call notifications while walking, or see translation subtitles in a conversation, all without breaking eye contact. It's tech that feels human, and Xiaomi's AI model inside these glasses isn't just a gimmick. It's powered by their latest HyperMind AI engine, which learns your habits. It notices patterns like your commute, your favorite places, or the types of notifications you check most. Over time, it adapts, giving you smarter suggestions and a smoother daily experience. Let's be honest, smart glasses have always sounded like a great idea that never quite worked in reality. Either they were too bulky, had poor battery life, or just didn't feel practical. But Xiaomi seems to have cracked the formula by balancing power, comfort, and usability, and they didn't stop at software. The display supports adaptive brightness, and the optics were tuned by Xiaomi's imaging team for clarity and depth. It feels natural, like the visuals are floating just beyond your reach, not glued to your face. Now here's where it gets interesting for tech enthusiasts. The AI camera mode can also summarize what it sees. Let's say you're reading a long document. The glasses can scan it, summarize key points, and display them briefly in front of you. That's like having ChatGPT built into your eyes. There's also a voice-to-text note-taking feature, ideal for meetings or classes. You can speak or just listen, and the glasses will generate notes for you automatically. It's surprisingly accurate and fast. Another futuristic feature is live translation for conversations. Two people speaking different languages can talk face-to-face, and subtitles appear for both. That's a real breakthrough for travelers and global business users. And Xiaomi didn't forget entertainment. You can view short video snippets, music overlays, and real-time health stats from connected devices like the Xiaomi Watch or Band. It creates an entire Xiaomi ecosystem on your face. You might think all this tech means high heat or eye strain, but Xiaomi handled that too. The display brightness auto-adjusts based on ambient light, and the waveguide optics reduce glare. There's even a blue light protection layer for longer sessions. Now, will these glasses replace your smartphone? Not yet. But they're definitely a preview of what's coming. We're seeing the first step toward the post-phone era, where AI and AR combine to make everyday life smarter and simpler. For professionals, these glasses can handle voice commands, quick search, instant messaging, and even reminders, all without picking up a phone. For travelers, it's a digital translator and navigator. For creators, it's a first-person capture tool. And for everyone else, it's just a glimpse into the future. Xiaomi's smart glasses are not just a gadget, they're a statement. A statement that says wearable AI is finally becoming practical, stylish, and powerful. Of course, there will be competition. Meta's Ray-Ban AI glasses are on the same path. Apple is rumored to be developing their own version. But Xiaomi's approach, blending affordability, sleek design, and real AI integration, gives them a serious edge, especially in markets like the US and Europe. So will people actually wear these in public? That's the big question. But if any company can normalize it, Xiaomi might be the one. They've done it before with phones, watches, and smart home products. And now, they're taking that same smart but simple philosophy and putting it on your face. If you've ever wished your world could feel a little more connected, a little more intelligent, and a lot more futuristic, the Xiaomi Smart AI glasses are that wish come true. They don't scream for attention. They quietly change how you live. And that's the kind of innovation that sticks. So, what do you think? Would you wear a pair of AI-powered glasses every day? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know how you feel about this kind of tech becoming part of daily life. And if you enjoyed exploring this glimpse into the future, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps more tech lovers find the channel. Subscribe to Tap Tech for more deep dives into the latest gadgets shaping tomorrow's world. Thanks for watching. This is Tap Tech. And until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep your eyes on the future.